What's up YouTube? The Bearded Outdoorsman, your guide to all things gear and beards. Today we're going to be taking a look at what you need if you have a beard, and that is co-wash. So stay tuned. Alright guys, if you are new to my channel, as you can tell from the intro, I do beard product reviews, hiking videos, gear reviews, tutorials, that kind of thing. So today we're going to be talking about a co-wash from Fable Beard Co. Alright, so if you haven't never heard of Fable Beard Co, you must be new to the beard game. Okay, no offense. But Fable Beard Co has been around since 2018. They started with a simple purpose, alright, to invoke storytelling and adventurers into an experience as well as having quality beard products. So they create oils and balms and washes and co-washes and all sorts of things, but we'll get into the experience portion of it in a little bit. But today what we're going to be talking about is the Barkeep Co-Wash. All right, so I picked this up a couple weeks ago. Been using this. It comes in a plastic, kind of an orange amber color bottle with the pop top. It is kind of a creamy, thicker consistency, but I picked up, they have two different ones. They have Barbershop, which is unscented. They also have the Scribe, which is coffee scented. I picked up the unscented because I just didn't want it to interfere with any of my other products that I was using. I didn't want to get out of the shower and put in a beard oil that was completely different than coffee and have any kind of conflict with that. So I picked up the unscented. The ingredients of this co-wash: shea butter, hemp oil, castor oil, sweet almond oil, coconut oil, jojoba oil, argan oil, palm kernel oil, olive oil, glycerin, water, and aloe vera. Now, prior to using co-wash, this is my very first co-wash that I have ever used. All right, prior to using co-wash, my beard is extremely curly, and I would have tangles, I would have knots all throughout the day, just periodically. Didn't matter what kind of product I used. Some did a little better than others, but I still had the knots and the tangles. So when I got this and started using it, a friend of mine, Beards and Banjos, Brian over there, recommended that because of the curliness, I use this every single day. And that's what I did. Started using it every day. And immediately noticed results when it came to the tangles in my beard. So if you have a curly beard and you are not using co-wash, you need to use a co-wash. And just for example, this is a perfect one. This works great. Basically, apply it in the shower, wait for 5 minutes or more, rinse it out of the shower, dry it off, apply your product, and you will immediately see results if your beard is as tangled and curly as mine was. It did not really straighten my beard, as some people may be concerned about if you have a curly beard. It didn't straighten my beard, it just conditioned it and made it silky smooth. It made the beard a lot smoother and easier and more manageable. Feel, again, it's just like any hair conditioner. It's going to be a creamy consistency. It doesn't really lather, and what I've noticed, it doesn't really have a whole lot of lather, but it is a good creamy thick consistency. Price for this on their website is $20 for this co-wash. Now you can't really see it because I just shook it up, but I've used about that much in about 2 weeks. So it doesn't take a whole lot. Really, it's going to be according to how long your beard is, but definitely check out Fable's Co-Wash. And if you like the coffee scented, if you like the Scribe, go ahead and pick up the Scribe and not the unscented. But this literally has no scent whatsoever, nothing. So it's perfect. Love it. You can pair it up with any wash. They also have washes. I'm not sure what the washes sell for, but the co-washes, like I said, are $20. So what Fable Beard Company offers by way of experience is like no other beard company that I have dealt with. Now, I've dealt with a lot of beard companies, whether it be them sending me stuff to test and review, whether it be me purchasing stuff, but I've dealt with a lot of beard companies, and what they offer is hands down the best experience that you are going to get. Now, their prices for like their beard oils and stuff are a little bit above market average, but what you get in return, you get a handwritten note from Collin at Fable Beard Co, the wizard. You get a handwritten note. It comes in an envelope that has a wax seal, individually done. I mean, it is done by hand. You get each of their products has a character. As you can see from this one, the Barkeep, look at that artwork. If it'll focus, each one has a character. Each scent profile has a character. So you get an experience like none other. There's no other beard company, hands down, that comes close to what Fable Beard Company is offering when it comes by way of experience that you're going to get when you make a purchase from them. If you haven't already, get over and check out Fable Beard Company. I will drop links in the description below for all of their information, both YouTube channel, Instagram, website, all of that. Go check them out. Let them know that the Bearded Outdoorsman sent you. If you haven't already, please, if this video was helpful in any way, please consider hitting that like button, and please consider hitting that subscribe button. Looking to grow this channel, continue to give you guys useful information, honest reviews on products, and yeah, so let's grow this channel together. As always, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless. Use gear.